For problem number 4, what we're going to do is we're going to map triangle ABC through rigid motions and transformations onto the triangle DEF. So ABC, A is at the point 1, 1, B is at the point 3, 2, and C is at the point 4, 4. So next, D is on 2, -1, E is on 0, 0, or the origin, and F is at the point -1, 2. So I'm going to map ABC onto DEF, and I think the first transformation I'm going to do is reflect about x equals 1. So let me draw x equals 1. Remember, a vertical line is x equals whatever number it crosses the x-axis at. So I'm going to label this as x equals 1 because that's what I've drawn is the graph x equals 1. And I'm going to reflect ABC about the line x equals 1. So my line of symmetry is x equals 1. Now the way that I do that is I'm just simply going to measure the distance of the points from the line of symmetry. In other words, I'm going to take point B and I'm going to move it 2 units away. In other words, I go from my line of symmetry and I see that if I go 1, 2 units to the right, I get to point B. So now I'm going to move point B over 2 units to the left. So I'm going to go 1, 2 units to the left of the line of symmetry. Now for point C, I notice that it's 1, 2, 3 units to the right, so I'm going to move that over 1, 2, 3 units over to the left. So I've reflected about x equals 1. Now I'm just going to translate it 1 unit over to the right. So I'm just going to glide triangle ABC 1 unit to the right. And then after I've translated it 1 unit to the right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to translate it down in the negative y direction 1, 2. That's it. We're done.